Voyager 2 was launched on August 20th, 1977 by NASA. It was one out of the... Oh my god, man, you distracted me. I'm just... What the... Pioneer Venus 1 was launched on May 20th, 1978. It carried out 17 experiments. Some of these experiments included a cloud photopolarimeter to measure the vertical distribution of the clouds, a surface mapper to determine the topography and surface characteristics, an infrared radiometer to measure IR emission from the Venus atmosphere, an ultraviolet spectrometer to measure scratched and emitted UV light. Missions from 1980. Galileo was launched on October 18, 1989 by NASA. It consisted of 2 spacecraft, an orbiter and an atmospheric probe. The spacecraft followed a Vega, which means Venus, Earth, gravity assist. This means it traveled towards the Sun for gravity assist from Venus and twice from Earth. This was done so that the Galileo could gain enough traction to reach Jupiter. While on its way to Jupiter, it was able to study Venus and Earth. Also, it passed by the asteroid belt and was able to let scientists make the first close-up studies of 2 asteroids, Gaspra and Ida. Missions from 1990. Hubble Space Telescope was launched on April 25th, 1990 by NASA. It was the first flagship mission of NASA's Great Observation Program, designed to complement the wavelength capabilities of the other spacecrafts in the program. The telescope was capable of performing observations in the visible, near ultraviolet, and near infrared. The HCST was placed in a low Earth orbit by the Space Shuttle. Cassini-Huygens was a NASA, ESA, and Italian Space Agency mission that was launched on October 15, 1997. It was made with the purpose of orbiting the ringed planet of Saturn and its numerous moons. It is a keystone to the exploration of the Saturn system and the properties of a gaseous planet in our solar system. The spacecraft contributed to the studies of Jupiter for 6 months before reaching the destination of Saturn. The same year, the Huygens probe was released on Saturn's moon Titan. This was done to study the composition of the surface and to understand the atmosphere of Titan. Missions from 2000. Missions in 2010. ExoMars 2016 mission launched by the ESA on March 14, 2016 is actually a European Space Agency program undertaken to conjunction with Roscosmos. The mission compares of two spacecrafts, an orbiter and a lander, which were launched together. The most recent spacecraft launch was OSIRIS-REx, or the Origins Spectral Interpretation Resource Identification Security, is a current NASA mission launched in September 8, 2016. The purpose of the mission is to return a sample of material from near-Earth carbonation asteroid Bennu.